cinema reflects society and the time and the set of values that time it is going through. What you're talking about, the compassion and the acceptance and recognition of feelings, emotions, relationship, compassion, was much stronger earlier with our parents than we have. When I say I'm 25 years, the youngster one, young ones. The things have changed. People have been educated, now they can admire feeling, they can appreciate the compassion, but they can't react to compassion. You appreciate charities, you appreciate good work, but it used to reflect in our days, he has done good work, I should also do good work. We should react to those positive energies, we used to react to those kind of relationship, people, values. Now the things are getting more monetizing everything, monetizing emotions, monetizing compassion. So our whole focus has shifted. That is why you can see the relationship are very open. Tu apna khush rahe, you give me a space, I give you space. Let's talk about money. पहले होता था पैसा चाहिए या प्यार चाहिए, बोले प्यार चाहिए. अभी क्या है, पैसा चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए. पैसे के लगा दूं ढेरी जो अगर तू हो जाए मेरी. So this has changed.
Madhur Bhandarkar and then Anupam.
Well, I think the compassion is always there with the filmmaker, depends on the individual. I think a film like Lunchbox or Bhag Milka, you can see the conviction of a filmmaker is very much relevant over there. And yeah, I agree, maybe for that is, but aisa nahi ki sab nahi. It was earlier also, it was like that only, it was there. But I feel that the passion is there because any filmmaker, see, everybody wants to make a career in the film industry, everybody wants to be all a long way for the film industry, not just making one film and just going away, it's nothing like that. So I think the passion is there, but yeah, now the market has been changed. Earlier the film used to release very less theaters, now we see 3,000 screen in one day. It's like a carpet bombing, we say, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the weekend. Everything is today, like everybody is like a critic on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and BBM, so it's like that. Things have changed, but it's very wrong to say that the passion is not there because everybody wants a career to be actor ho, filmmaker ho, actress ho, producer ho.
Compassion ka matlab kya hai? I mean, what is... don't films in a sense today, Bollywood movies in particular, at least they sometimes break the mold. They're looking at divorces, they're looking at live-in relationships, they're looking at, women who actually do have sex before marriage, that happens. So they're touching on themes they never did before.
Nidhi, I personally feel that cinema today is greatly evolved. It's much more disciplined, it's much more professional. It's so wonderful to be reaching the set at 8 o'clock in the morning and the first shot is taken at 9 o'clock. There's a call sheet. In 483 films that I have done, I have got script for only 23 films. The rest of them were narrated to me in 5 minutes. And I had to make up my own mind. So I think, and performances by Ranbir Kapoor, Kangana Ranaut, and Milka's performances are unbelievable, the kind of work that has gone into it. But also because we romanticize past, we romanticize nostalgia is always very exciting, but there is great amount of compassion mixed with hard work that has, and I always say that this is the golden era of Indian cinema. You can make a film like Special 26, you can make a film like Madhur makes, you can make a film like Khosla Ka Ghonsla, and I'm very happy personally that this change has happened when I'm in my 50s and I can work for another 30 years and do my best work.
Well, as we say on TV, I'm afraid the film